Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever accidentally deleted an important email from your Hotmail or Outlook account, don't panic. Because in this video, I'll show you exactly how to recover those deleted emails step by step. This method works and it's completely free and simple, so stay with me till the end to make sure you don't miss any crucial steps. Alright, first, open any web browser and go to the official Outlook login page. Sign in with your Hotmail or Outlook email and your password. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Outlook inbox homepage. This is where all the magic happens. Now, on the left-hand side, look for a folder called Deleted Items. Click on it. This is where Outlook temporarily stores any emails you've deleted. If you find the email you're looking for here, simply right-click it, select Move to Inbox, or drag it back into any folder you want. And boom, your email is instantly restored. But what if the email isn't in your deleted items folder? No worries. Scroll down to the bottom of that folder and you'll see an option called Recover Items Deleted from this folder. Click it and Outlook will show you all emails that were permanently deleted but are still recoverable. Select the ones you want back, hit Restore, and Outlook will move them right back to your deleted items folder or inbox. Just keep in mind, these recoverable emails are stored for up to 30 days only, so don't wait too long. Here's a quick tip. Make it a habit to check both your deleted items and recoverable items folders regularly. And if you delete something by mistake, act fast, because once the recovery window closes, those emails are gone for good. That's it. You've just learned how to recover deleted emails from your Hotmail account easily and effectively. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tutorials like this, and share it with someone who might need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.